just need to exhale. I just need to exhale.
What up, world? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. My bird probably finna go crazy. If at any point that you find anything that you like in the video, the information being cool, calm, and collective, and giving straightforward to you, like, comment, subscribe. I mean, you know, that's what's up. If you're reading the title or whatever, this is my second time actually doing a video, third time actually using CannaAid's product, Strawberry Cough. You know what I'm saying? For those of you who want those lab results, there it is right there on the QR code. Get that in. Get that in. Okay? All right, so Strawberry Cough, I'm not saying that all brands are the same. Could be. But for me, this one is the one that I found that is available, and I actually like the taste of it and the effect. So let's see. I got my readers on, and it's still kind of hard to read it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pop the seals on it, which it wasn't that hard to do on this one. So this is 1 ml or 1 gram. Okay. Let's see. Contains farm compliant hemp extract. Do not take if you are pregnant or lactating. Consult with your doctor before trying a new product. If you experience any negative reactions, immediately discontinue use and seek advisement of your doctor. Keep out of reach of children, of course. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any type of disease. We knew that. This is batch number THCO-0522. Okay. You can visit them on IG or Facebook. CannaAidShop.com. Do not operate machinery while using this product. This product may cause a positive drug test result and intoxication. And that's all I'm gonna read. You see what I'm saying? I hate my eyes try to adjust after I take them things off. Woo, them letters are small, boy. You ain't reading that with your naked eye. Them letters are small. So get you some readers, man. Save your eyes. I don't care who you are. When you're dealing with something that's kind of meticulous and small, that's what you need to do. Of course, you get 1 rubber grommet on this one. I wish you had something that goes here, because they do, once you get to using these, they do leak from the top. So what I normally do, like I always tell you, to keep up with that grommet, because if I switch out, boom, I put my grommet back on and ensure that it won't be leaking into the package or anything like that. Because once it starts leaking, yeah, you can't, do not taste it. Don't, I'm letting you know now, don't do it. If you ever, let's get into some things. Let's get into some things. And what I like about this one is, it doesn't have that flat tip. It's just round all the way around. So no matter how you turn it on, screw it on, it does not, make your OCD go off or anything like that. So that's cool. This one is already on, but of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's blue. That's not good. I need to, but it was blue anyway, so who cares? That turns it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turns it on. So don't expect a lot out of this one today. As far as battery, I need to charge it up. Let's see what this first hit like. It was very light. Very light. Compared to the other ones where I get a lot of smoke. But nothing beats that strawberry cough taste, man. It tastes is fire. This was more like a 5-second hit. It's just smooth. It's just smooth. It ain't doing me bad like the first time it did. Maybe I'm not gonna take a blinker on this because I want to preserve the battery as I sit up and, think about what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I've been building some like raised bed hydroponic boxes where they're gonna self-water. Right now, I have nothing in them, so that's why I'm not really showing anything about them. But hungry, happy, healthy again. It's not. I've never had a Delta 8 product send me to the hospital. Anxiety gone each and every time I have ever used a Delta 8 product. To me, it seems like I'm smoking cleaner or vaping clean, or however you want to say that. New Year's night, a guy I knew had a little blunt rolled up in front of me or whatever the case was. I hit that junk. And the effects was CBD, and I didn't want to say nothing because I'm like, okay, well. So then my girlfriend, she come out, you ain't supposed to be doing her. And I just said CBD. That's I told her, oh, she was like, oh, hell. I was like, exactly. It just ain't. But anyway, still got the job. Congratulations. I will be working here soon. So, they don't do drug testing anyway, but like I just read to you, it says that it will come up positive. And we all know that I have been reviewing Delta 8 products. So, I will tell you this. If somebody say that this gave them a negative drug test, they are lying to you. 100% lying to you. So for those of you who are on drug court, you got your probation and all that kind of stuff where you are taking drug tests. No. This is not for you. No. Let me just review it for you, and then once you get off of your whatever, then you can go get this if it's still available. Because you never know what they do with the laws these days. But no. It's just strawberry. And it tastes like a cough drop without the menthol. Thank God. But they could have did that too. They could have added the menthol. I don't know how. They probably have tried it, but I don't think it would taste good. Now, I do want to try other brands of strawberry cough.
Introducing,
because I'm pretty sure somebody has one that either tastes equivalent or better. I'm just pretty sure about it. But right now, CannaAid, you have been showing improvement and doing your thing. Again, QR code at the very, very bottom there. That white thing that you see is the grommet to stop any leakage. Keep up with your packaging, and you can always put this back, switch out, and do your thing. Now, if you do switch out, just notice that the effects like when you're doing hybrid, indica, sativa, I wouldn't do all three of them. You can, but the experience is going to be a roller coaster. Because one does go straight to your head, one does body, the other one may have a mixture. And that's where it ain't going to get dangerous. But the mixture is not going to have you feeling just one way, if you know what I'm trying to say. Let's say you at work, did your 15-minute break, bop, you did your thing, you come back, you might be irritated now for no reason at all or something like that. Or you just may feel groggy, like you don't want to work or something. You never know. You never know. I'm just saying. Or you may be a little bit too relaxed. So these things you can't dial up and make yours. You know what I'm saying? You just have to deal with them. But the THCO, it's saying it's a sativa vape. So I'm assuming that I'm getting a body sensation a little bit. It's not really up in my head, up in my sinuses and eyes and ears. Because remember the other vape I had, it was talking about intraocular pressure, blood pressure, stuff like that. CannaAid, y'all don't deal with blood pressure and intraocular. I don't feel any type of pressure. I just feel relaxed. Now, after a while, it does go in there and tickle your nose or something like that, and you may sneeze because you know that the vape that you're taking in may be releasing and coming back up through your nose. But again, that's all up to the person. Because of the taste on this one, again, it says strawberry cough, but it has not made me cough yet. Let's talk about the mishaps that can happen with your cart, because a lot of people don't talk about this. You get halfway down this way, halfway down to the bottom, you start feeling cloggy up in the top, and you got to, y'all know what I'm saying. Take a paper towel, spin it to a point, and get in there and spin this around and clean it out. And then you'll notice it'll hit better, like this. It'll hit like that again. Instead of it being that, you know what I'm saying, where you got to, pow. Be careful. That's the only thing about it. That's the only thing about the side effect, is you want to have to use that neck muscle to unclog it if you're going to not clean it out. But if you put it doesn't come with one, but if they ever put a top grommet on it, the top grommet provides suction, because when you pull it out, that's what you're doing without using your actual mouth and the suction. So when you pull that off, it's gonna for you. So, and maybe that was more money for them to have to do that, come up with another grommet set. But all right, second thing, you might drop this on concrete or something, and it stops hitting. Inside of here, you see that screw? It's a flathead screw, very, very tiny. You don't necessarily have to use a flathead screwdriver. You can use a pin that you would pin something to your shirt or anything and turn it a little bit sideways. And all you're going to do is just give it a turn and give it a turn. And you put it back on. What it is when you dropped it and you picked it up and you may or may not have hit it immediately. The distillate got in between that gap that drop created, and it clogged it. down at the bottom. And you just need to turn that thing back and forth to loosen it, and then boom, it starts working again. These are things that you don't, unless you're a finesser, you know how it is. If you're a finesser and just want to take things back, do what you do. Okay? All right? But if you're not a finesser and you want to fix it, that's how you would fix it. So some of you can just go back into your archives if you haven't thrown them away and just move that little screw inside of the vape cart itself back and forth. I can already tell this is going to be a slow creeper. This is going to be like an edible. And it's a bubble right there. Yeah, it's starting to move. But let's say that you have a situation where you got distillate way up in here. And it's really, really sticky. Take your blow dryer. I wouldn't recommend a heat gun, because the heat gun can do a little bit of damage to this. Blow dryer, hit it a little bit, do a few little passes. You'll see the distillate just slide on down. You know what I'm saying? Because this is this is heat activated either way it go. I'm trying to think of any other problems. If your pen itself does not want to take charge, distillate. Okay? Distillate may be built up in there. So at that point, Q-tip, alcohol, get in there real good. Take a towel. I know it sounds crazy, but take a towel, make a little nub, and get in there and keep doing that about 2 or 3 times until you can get all of that distillate out. And it may be a little film of it on there. And that stuff is super, super sticky. And it's causing your charger not to have a connection with your battery. Okay? So I just help you fix that problem. Okay? I mean, you when you have it and it's not charging, it's been on there for 2 days, still not charging, clean. It's time to clean. You could use the heat gun too to go and loosen that up. That would be quicker. Use the heat gun, alcohol, heat gun it again, alcohol, or go use the other side that has absolutely nothing on it. Now, if it pulls cotton, you'll know that it's super sticky then. If any of that cotton starts sticking on the inside of your battery, you definitely got distillate inside of it. Okay? So that's how you would fix that. My eyes are not Chinese yet. I'm starting to feel it, you know. No lie, I am starting to feel it. But I've been working out in my garden and doing some stuff under the garage. So the CBD is going to those pain areas. And that's mostly where I'm feeling it at right now. Now, imagine, and I could, like the first video of this strawberry cough, because I had not been doing anything. So it was going straight to boop. And my brain just say, hey, buddy, we there. Let's go to the moon. But right now, I got, little situations where I may have tweaked the back muscle or maybe feeling hurt in the back. So the CBD is going down there and massaging that out, moving that blood around. And that's pretty much all that CBD is known for. It's more, but like for right now, it is doing its job. Like beforehand, wouldn't be no twisting. Shoot. But yeah, I'm there. I'm definitely feeling the body high of THCO. And again, this is legal. It's on at a tobacco shop near you. And this one, like, I didn't even tell you where it came from. Let's tell you where it came from. It is somewhere in North Carolina. Let's look. All right, manufactured by CannaAid, 105 Oak Park Drive, Mooresville, North Carolina, 28115. Okay? They tell you it may cause intoxication. Take one puff and wait 30 minutes. Ain't no way. Gonna take about 5-6 puffs. I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes. And by 30 minutes, I'm hungry, happy, and healthy. Now, my expiration date on this is 6/2023. It ain't gonna make it. It'll probably make it to February, maybe. But it ain't gonna make it. If you like these videos, you know, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. There will be more on the way. If you have any, suggestions and stuff, leave all that stuff down in the comment section. If you're gonna subscribe, also hit the little notification bell so you can get any of this type of content anytime I drop it. It's your homeboy Mag357 Guns. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Live, learn, love, and then you grow. 1.
Just need to exhale.